Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps to do the words features practice. For this activity, you're just practicing using Word and doing different things. Make a new Word document. Or if you want, you can choose one of the templates. These are already formatted. For example, you could use this one to make an event flyer or poster. I'm going to go back and make a blank document. Type this sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence has every single letter in the English alphabet. If it's too small, you can zoom in. Copy and paste this sentence 5 times. Let's practice. Select Control-C to copy. Press Enter, Control-V, Control-V, Control-V. I'm pasting. You can also undo if you want to reverse the action or redo. Practice using the backspace and delete key. So you can press backspace to delete, or if I go this way, you can press the delete key to delete to the right. Use the arrow keys to move the insertion point. The arrow keys, I don't know if you can see my keyboard, but they look like this. So practice using those. Go up, go to the left, go to the right. This can be faster than using your mouse. Practice selecting text. You can click, drag, and release. You can also move your mouse over here and click 1 time or 2 times to select the whole sentence. Okay, that's like a shortcut. Or you can do select all, Control-A. Okay. The next thing I want you to practice is moving text. So for example, let's say this sentence, you want to move it down here. You select it, and then you click, and then you drag. And then I moved it down here. Or maybe it's this word, you want to move it. So you select it, and then drag it. I'm going to undo. Also practice making a spelling mistake. So Word will highlight or underline spelling and grammar mistakes. So you just click to view the suggestions, and I'm going to take the first suggestion. I'd also like you to choose a layout. Click on Layout. You can have your document in a portrait style, which means long, kind of like a standard piece of paper, or you can make it horizontal. That's called landscape. So you can choose the layout of your text. Also, you can choose the margins. Do you want 1-inch margins? Do you want it to have narrow margins? Margin is the space around that you don't write in. So like these are margins, and right now it has 1-inch space. Also, I'd like you to practice inserting a picture of a lazy fox. So I'm going to go to Insert, click on Picture. We're going to actually click on Bing Picture because you don't have a picture of a lazy dog on or a quick brown fox on your computer. We're going to search the internet. Okay, so I'm going to search for either a dog or a fox. And I'd like you to use Creative Commons. Creative Commons is are images that you can use for free. There is no copyright that you have to pay for, and so it's appropriate to use these pictures. If you just go to Google and look for pictures, it's kind of like stealing. You're not technically supposed to take pictures, any picture from Google, because somebody maybe took that picture and you could get in trouble for that. So we're only using pictures from Creative Commons because they're free. I think I like this picture, so I'm going to select it and press Insert. And there's my picture. I'd like you to practice resizing, so you can click the edges to make it smaller or bigger. You could also wrap the text. You could make it left, right, behind the text, in front of the text. And you could move it around. Find what looks good. I think I liked it in the original spot where it was. And there you go. This week we'll be practicing making documents that are posters that advertise something. And you'll have pictures and text. But this activity was just to get the basics of practicing using these different features. Oh, one more thing you might want to practice is the line spacing. You can do double space, 2.5 space, single space, and you can add space before paragraph or remove space. So let's say I do double space because I want space in between. I can also remove the space after the paragraph. Okay, so also practice that. Okay, everybody, have fun practicing.